Hey there, come sit with me and let's start a nice light chair yoga flow that feels smooth and refreshing, and with this cozy play along moves. So please read the disclaimer and make sure your chair is sturdy, and let's dip our toes right in. So we're gonna start with pretending we're going at the pool, and we're gonna dip our toes. Just dip your toes. So we have a blanket here, so if you need a little support on your back, you can use your blanket. Also, if your feet don't reach the ground, put your blanket folded under you. Make sure that it's sturdy enough. Sometimes big books the same size is even better if you don't have yoga blocks. So let's dip, 1 foot at a time. Let's just dip one toe in, and then the other. Move back a little bit here. Dip and dip. You don't have to lift your foot completely, you can just lift the heel. Pretend you're dipping your toes in the water. Make sure it's not too cold now. Yes, 80 degrees isn't the same for everybody in Fahrenheit, that is. Yeah, we use Fahrenheit here. Oh well, so is it cold? Maybe just lifting the heel, dip your toe, and yeah, the other toe, just dip a little bit. We're putting our toe in a fake pool, so we don't even have to get wet. We don't have to squeeze in our bathing suit. It's bad enough we had to squeeze in our yoga pants today. So just dip, take your time here. If you have a blanket, you want to put it behind your back. That's always wonderful. Nice little support, maybe warm yourself up. Dip. Now we're gonna add a little bit to this dip and just swirl our toes in the water. We're not sure if we want to get in yet or not. Just swirl. Other side, just swirl. And I think I'm gonna use mine in my back. Oh yeah, that's much better for me. Got a little more support here. So let's swirl one way. And now let's swirl the other way. Other foot. Swirl one way, stir that water like you're stirring the spaghetti sauce here, and other way. We weren't gonna do the wrist right away, but it's just move at the same time. So why not? Let's add our wrists. Let's stir this water and reverse. Try with your fingers, see if it's warmer somehow. Other side. Doesn't matter which side you go first, you're just gonna reverse it to the other way, whichever it was. Here. Oh, dip, dip. Maybe lifting the knee a little bit. If that doesn't work for you, don't do that. Don't do anything that don't feel good to you. Oh. Yeah, let's get in. Let's get in the ladder, and oh, it's cold. Let's splash a little bit of water. Not too fast, just a little motion. Just a little bit to warm up. Maybe we want to take that blanket and put it over our shoulder. Oof. Now let's splash others. Oh, we're in the water now. Ooh, let's float our arms. Maybe the water is just down our waist, so you move your arm a little lower. Depending wherever you are in the water, you decide how deep you want to get. Maybe you just want to be down. Maybe you want to go up and down. It's nice having choices once in a while. Oh, yes. Let's swim a little bit. Let's start in a little doggy paddle, maybe adding the feet at the same time. Doggy paddle. Is that how it's called? You do the little puppy in the water. Now you want a little coordination? You know where I'm going with this? This foot and this hand. Oh, we get used to it, right? Oh. Now let's reach a little further. Oh, maybe we're reaching down here. You go in the pool, in the water height that works with you. If swimming is not your thing, just stay down. Stay down where it's low. Let's reach. Let's add a little bit of upper torso twist in there as we reach. You want to add the breath to it? Nice inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And a little overhead. See how that go? Go very slow at first. And let's zip the entire side of our body. Ooh. Try to keep both sit bone into your chair if possible. Oh, slow movement. Ooh, ah. Oh, wow. Let's float a little bit here. Oh, just float. Lean back. Open your chest. Lean back. Curve your back. Nice inhale. Exhale. Round your back. We're just floating here. Round, round, round. Inhale, oh, on your back. Exhale, oh, let's curve in into one of those floaty. Oh, wow, huh? Let's grab the ladder. Oh, I can't reach it. It's impossible. It should be my feet, right down to my feet, but we're gonna reach. Maybe we're not reaching far. You reach where you want to go. Reach, and maybe reach with a little side bend. Both sit bone on the chair. Reach, add a little breath. Nice inhale, reach. Oh, nice, open that shoulder. Oh, this is wonderful. And other side. Oh, yes. That feels nice, huh? If it doesn't, we skip it. Oh, yes, Paka. We love you, of course. We were hoping you'd come. Let's get out of our pool ladder. Want to use the feet too, poor Paka. Yes, well, as your feet climb up, it's a long ladder. We're gonna go jump on top. We're gonna go to the big eye jump. And then just walk. Walk and walk the other side. Walk, okay. Inhale your arms up. Put your hands together, exhale. In the water we are. Oh, nice. Let's come back to the surface. Maybe adding the feet or not. I'm gonna put that over here. Yeah. Climb back up. I'll try that again. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Into the water. Oh, inhale back up. That feels so good. Let's do it one more time. Ooh. Inhale. Exhale. You can make your legs apart too. Yes, Paka. Choo-choo. Yes, Paka. Oh, nice forward fold here. And let's come back up. And let's swim over there. Let's swim over here. Let's add our feet too. Make sure your chair is sturdy. If you feel you're going to be off balance, if you're going too far and you're swimming, a little motion to the side. Oh, wow. That is so nice. Let's just float here. Let's just float as we cool down. Little kicking the water. Shoulders open. Neck is super relaxed. Oh, notice how refreshing your body feels. Like you've been swimming, huh? Having fun, doing all that without leaving your chair. So great job. Oh, this feels so good to me. I hope it felt good to you. And if you want to keep on stretching it a little bit, just pick another one of my video. Keep on going. And carry this slight, wonderful feeling of adventure with you for the rest of the day. Thank you for watching and practicing with me. Namaste.